In this quick video, I'll show you how to remove extensions from Opera GX in just a few simple steps. Let's get started. First, open Opera GX. Now look at the top left corner and click the Opera logo. From the menu, go down and click Extensions, then select Extensions again from the side menu. This opens the Extensions Manager. Here you'll see a list of all the extensions currently installed in your browser. Find the extension you want to remove. Next to it, you'll see a button that says Remove. Go ahead and click that. A small pop-up will ask you to confirm. Just click Remove again. That extension is now completely removed from Opera GX. If you want to disable an extension without removing it, you can toggle the switch off instead. This keeps it installed but inactive. And that's it. Super quick and easy. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe for more Opera GX tips.